Key players in the education sector at this virtual news conference observed that none of the special schools in the nation's capital can boast of offering the STEM curriculum, despite the advantage of inclusiveness it will confer on children with special needs. They believe that incorporating science, technology, engineering and mathematics into the curriculum of special schools will scale up the skill set of persons living with disability in Nigeria and around the globe.
Opportunities for them to be able to actually have careers in STEM for the future. It's a global problem. All over the world, people are not seeing the value in STEM education for persons with disabilities. The STEM education stands as a key strategy to address these gaps, provide additional opportunities to strengthen inclusive economic growth.
Stakeholders also canvass deliberate government policies and programs that will grow the skilled manpower for educating children with special needs using the STEM curriculum.
We first of all have to train people to be able to teach in that, because I, for instance, now don't even know how to teach a student that is maybe, I don't know, maybe challenged in that area. So we first of all have to start from the rudimentary of teaching, of training manpower in that area to be able to bring them into. But to me, maybe not necessarily engineering, but in computer coding, they can do coding, they can do software development, and so many other parts that may be much more easier to teach and infused into them.
Arrangements are on by the group of educationists to initiate a STEM awareness project in special schools in the country, using the FCT as a pilot state.